In this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful wedding invitations using ChatGPT and Canva, step by step. This is a super easy workflow if you want elegant, personalized invitations without hiring a designer or spending hours starting from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to generate the wording in ChatGPT, bring it into Canva, customize a template, and download your finished invitation ready to share or print. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to use ChatGPT to create the invitation wording. Open ChatGPT in your browser and start a new chat. Then type a prompt like, write wedding invitation copy for the names, date, and venue. Include an RSVP deadline and a short romantic quote. You can replace those placeholders with your real details, like the couple's names, the wedding date, and the location. The goal here is to get polished invitation text that already sounds warm, clear, and elegant. Once ChatGPT generates a few options, take a moment to read through them and choose the version you like best. If needed, you can ask ChatGPT to make it more formal, more modern, more romantic, or shorter and more minimal. That's one of the best parts of using AI for this process, because you can quickly tailor the wording to match the tone of your wedding. You can also ask it to add a dress code line, a reception note, or a special message if your event needs it. After you're happy with the text, copy the final version so you can paste it into Canva. Now that your wording is ready, let's move into Canva for the design. Go to canva.com and sign in if you haven't already. On the Canva homepage, click the search bar in the center and type wedding invitation, then press enter. Canva will show you a variety of invitation templates in different styles, from classic and floral to modern and minimalist. Browse through the options and click on a design you like. Try to choose one that matches the mood of your wedding, whether that's romantic, luxurious, simple, or rustic. After selecting a template, click the Customize this template button. This opens the design editor so you can begin editing the invitation. Now you can replace the sample text with the wording you created in ChatGPT. Click on the text boxes one by one, highlight the placeholder text, and paste in your own content. On Windows, you can press Ctrl and V. On Mac, you can press Command and V. Make sure the names, date, venue, and RSVP information are all placed neatly and are easy to read. As you paste in the text, you may notice that some lines are too long or the spacing needs adjusting. That's completely normal. You can resize the text box, change the font size, or reposition elements until everything looks balanced. If your invitation has too much text, you can go back to ChatGPT and ask for a shorter version. If it feels too plain, ask ChatGPT for a more elegant phrasing or a romantic quote to add at the bottom. The combination of ChatGPT and Canva makes it very easy to refine the invitation until it feels just right. Next, look at the design itself. Canva lets you change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and decorative elements. If you want a more formal look, you might choose serif fonts and soft neutral colors. If you want something modern, clean fonts and minimal spacing can work really well. You can also swap out images, flowers, borders, or icons to make the invitation more personal. The key is to keep the design consistent and readable while making it feel unique to the couple and the event. When everything looks good, do one final check for spelling, dates, and venue details. This is very important, especially for invitations, because you want every detail to be correct before you send or print it. Double-check the RSVP deadline too, since that's one of the most important parts of the invitation. Once you're confident everything is accurate, it's time to save your work. To download the invitation, click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva. From there, click Download. Choose the file type you want, depending on how you plan to use it. If you're sending it digitally, a high-quality PNG or PDF may work well. If you're printing it, a print-ready PDF is usually the best option. After that, click Download and Canva will save your finished wedding invitation to your device. And that's it. You've now created a wedding invitation with ChatGPT and Canva from start to finish. You used ChatGPT to generate the wording, selected a Canva template, pasted in your content, customized the design, and downloaded the final invitation. This workflow saves time, gives you professional-looking results, and makes the whole process much easier, even if you have no design experience at all. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple, helpful tutorials just like this one. And if you want, you can also use the same method for bridal shower invitations, save the date cards, birthday invites, or any other event where you want a polished design fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.